no, maybe not. Right. 10 seconds if you want to just slowly go.
I'm not bringing this vehicle later.
Later to where?
Karandang.
It's probably the heat as well.
Why?
Well, everything's getting hot. You see, engine's getting hot, fluids are getting hot. It could be needing bled. Right. Clutch in. No, second. Keep going. Slide out slow. Right, take your foot off the clutch and go. Go, because he'll fucking point you out.
Why will he do that?
Because he was already edging over, thinking I want to be in there for going straight, because I fucked over here because he's a prick. Just, I don't understand why they don't get it. Just stay in your fucking lane.
You also don't like to do that.
Huh? I do that a lot of the time actually. And I overtake when I've got some numpty like that, and there's a fucking empty lane here, and he should be in the slow lane and letting people past.
I'm gonna ask Katemanik if I can borrow one of her vehicles. But this will have to be checked. I mean,
Well, who do we get it checked by? Brian?
Ryan.
I suppose he's our best. So here's this fucking idiot. Look at this! Look! Look! Fucking nice. It's in first.
On video! Yay!
There's a white guy. And that shit wouldn't happen if you just stayed in your fucking lane instead of thinking I can beat traffic going in and out.